If you're trying to lose weight in 2026, you have more options than ever before. You have surgeons offering sleeves, endoscopists offering balloons or ESG, and primary care doctors offering Ozempic. It can seem like everyone thinks their solution is the right one for you. But how do you actually compare a surgery to a procedure to a pill? Today, I'm going to compare surgery, endoscopic procedures, and medications across safety, results, and lifestyle so you can stop guessing and make the decision that is right for you. As a bariatric PA who's seen thousands of patients, I understand the information available can be overwhelming. In reality, these options differ across several important dimensions, and the best choice depends on fit, not popularity. Let's look at how surgery, endoscopic procedures, and medications compare across a few key areas. Degree of biological change. The first major difference is how much each option changes biology. Bariatric surgery produces the most significant and durable biological changes. It alters anatomy, hormonal regulation, metabolic changes, and in some cases, absorption. Endoscopic procedures create more modest and often reversible anatomic changes. They support weight loss and some hormonal changes, but they don't override biology to the same degree as surgery. Medications influence appetite and satiety while they're being taken. However, they don't permanently change anatomy or metabolism. This doesn't make one better. It just means they operate at different levels. Expected weight loss and durability. Another key difference is expected weight loss and how durable it tends to be. On average, surgery typically produces the greatest and most durable weight loss, ranging from 20 to 40% or more of total body weight loss. Endoscopic procedures produce moderate weight loss, ranging from 10 to 20% or more of total body weight loss. Medications can be very effective, 3 to 20% or more total body weight loss, but regain is common when they're stopped. To understand what total body weight loss means, if a patient weighs 300 pounds and loses 30 pounds, that person had a total body weight loss of 10%. Remember, these are averages, not guarantees of performance. Durability depends not just on the intervention, but on patient compliance, follow-up, and behavior over time. Reversibility and commitment. These options also differ in how reversible they are. Medications are the most reversible. You can stop them anytime, though stopping often means losing their benefit. Endoscopic procedures sit in the middle. They can often be revised or reversed, but they still require strong lifestyle changes and regular follow-up for maximum effectiveness. Surgery is the least reversible, and it requires the highest level of long-term commitment, particularly with the gastric bypass, BPD, and SADI-S surgeries. None of these options are casual decisions. They just differ in permanence. Risk and side effects. Each option carries risks, just different kinds. Surgery carries somewhat higher upfront risk, but also produces the most durable biological and metabolic changes. Endoscopic procedures have lower surgical risk, but yield lower average weight loss than surgery. Medications can produce significant hormonal changes, but they can carry side effects, be a significant long-term cost, and often require ongoing use to maintain results. Understanding what kind of risk you're willing to manage matters. Lifestyle requirements. All three options require lifestyle change and commitment to long-term success from the patient and provider. Surgery requires the most structure around dietary changes and follow-up. Endoscopic procedures still require consistent dietary and behavioral support. Medications reduce appetite, but they don't automatically change coping patterns or habits. No option works in isolation from daily life. General guidelines. Broadly speaking, medications are often considered earlier in the weight loss journey or for patients who do not desire or are not good candidates for weight loss procedures. Endoscopic procedures may be considered as a primary procedure when medications aren't effective or appropriate, or as a revision procedure when patients experience weight regain after the sleeve gastrectomy or gastric bypass surgeries. Surgery is often considered when other options haven't produced adequate or durable results. It can also be performed as a revision or secondary procedure for previously failed surgeries or for higher BMI patients that cannot achieve a healthy weight utilizing other options. But these are patterns, not rules. The takeaway: the goal isn't to find the most powerful or popular option. The goal is to find the option that fits your biology, your health, and your capacity for long term commitment and follow up. In the video description below, you'll find a free printable PDF. It's a quick summary listing all the points in this video for your review and future reference. I'm Grace, and this is Weigh In Wellness. On this channel, I will continue to provide content that provides no hype, fact-based education, so you can make the best decision for your weight loss journey. And remember, this information is educational. I'm a physician assistant, but I'm not your PA. Decisions about treatment should always be made with your own healthcare team. In the next few videos, we'll talk more in depth about the specific surgeries, endoscopic procedures, and medications, and how to honestly assess whether you're prepared for the long-term lifestyle changes these options require. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.